Andis Master Cordless Clipper. A venerable name in grooming, Andis has been at the forefront of the industry for a century, consistently delivering tools that blend quality with innovation. The Master Cordless Clipper is a testament to this legacy, offering superlative performance and enduring build quality. At its heart, the Clipper features a potent rotary motor that clocks in at 7,200 strokes per minute, enabling it to glide through both wet and dry hair with ease. Say goodbye to snags or pulls. This clipper ensures a seamless cut every time. Its carbon steel blade is adjustable from 0.5 millimeters to 2.4 millimeters, allowing for a wide range of hairstyles and lengths with precision. Created from robust aluminum and weighing a mere 370 grams, the Andis Master Cordless Clipper is both sturdy and comfortable to use, even during extended grooming session. The lithium-ion battery supports 90 minutes of continuous use and recharges fully in just an hour, offering flexibility and efficiency in your grooming routine. You have the option of using the included plug or opting for a charging stand, catering to your convenience. While its powerful operation may cause slight warmth with extended use, the Andis Master Cordless Clipper's performance is unmatched. It also features zero-gap capability, aligning the teeth of the moving and stationary blades perfectly for a close, precise shave. Ideal for detailed styling and hairline adjustments. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.